Scott, how important are vehicle inspections? If you've done a really good job on the front end with the accident investigation, what are some best practices with vehicle inspections later on?
Well, certainly there's a couple different parts to this equation. The upfront documentation can go a long way in helping us, but the next step is going to be inspections of the vehicle. And if the vehicle is going to be placed back in service, we want to get to it as quickly as possible. The main reason for that is there's electronic data contained in many, many vehicles on the roadway these days, be that a passenger vehicle or a commercial vehicle. And your photographs are all really helpful in capturing the physical evidence, but they're not going to do anything to capture the electronic data. If we're in a passenger vehicle, we're talking primarily about the airbag control module. If we're talking about a commercial truck, I'm looking specifically for electronic data contained usually in the engine or in the brake control modules. And in the context of commercial trucks, that's all data that can be overwritten by placing the truck back in service. These are not locked events. The data is volatile and can be overwritten. So as soon as possible, we want to get out to the vehicle to capture and preserve that information so that if the truck is placed back in service and does end up driving on its next route, wherever that may be, we don't risk losing all of the information and data that may pertain to our specific collision. And ARCCA has the tools to communicate with a variety of commercial vehicles and their engine control modules and their brake control modules, as well as pretty much every passenger vehicle that has data contained within it on the road today.